Let's take a look at how to install a plugin to a new Unmanic installation. To install a plugin, click the menu bars at the top left, select Settings, then click the Plugins tab. Now press the Install Plugin button. The plugins are hosted on repositories. Unmanic comes configured to download plugins from the official repository, but other repos can be added. If you're greeted with a blank screen here, simply hit Refresh Repositories. Each plugin has an info screen and an install button. Click the blue eye for more information, or simply install by clicking the purple download arrow. After you've installed your plugins, close the tab using the arrow in the top right, and you can see all the plugins installed globally for Unmanic.